Let's solve this question. I have two methods of solving this question. We are given simplify 1 all over 2 plus 2 over 3. I want to use method 1. The smallest number that these two numbers can divide is 6, and that number is called the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? It's 6, meaning that 6 can divide what? 2 can divide 6 and 3 can divide 6. 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. Then we now times the 3 by the number at the up. We now say plus 6 divided by what? 3 will give us 2. Then we now times that 2 by the number at the up. Alright? So now 3 times 1 will give us 3 plus 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then everything all over 6. We now say what? 3 plus what? 4 will give us 7 over 6. Approximately how many times can 6 go into 1? It's going to go 1 time then the 1. Now let's go to this method. The method 2, we want to make the what? The denominator to be the same. And to do that, it means that we have to look for a number that when we times by 2, it will give us a number, and when we times this 2 by 3, the number will be the same. That means we are going to times this 2 by 3 and we times 2 by 3. So whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the what? The numerator. Here now we're going to have 1 times 3, then 2 times 3. Alright? Now 2 times 3 now is going to give us 6. We put plus. Here now, what can we times to 3 that will give us this 6? So here is going to be what? 2, 3 times 2. What is the goal of this method? The goal of this method is for you to make the what? The denominator to be the same. And the only number you can times that will make this denominator to be the same is when you times 2 by 3 and when you times what? 3 by 2. So here now we now have 1 times 3 will give us 3. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times 2 is what? 4. Then 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. In fraction, if the denominator are the same, you pick one as the what? The LCM. Then what next? We now add the up number, which is going to be what? 3 plus 7. Here now we have 3 plus what? 4. Then at the end, our answer will be what? 6, 7 over 6. And it's still the same thing. How many times can 6 go into 1? It's going to be 1 over 1 all over what? 6. So the answer is still the same. Thank you.